The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is having a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus screen. The US variant comes with the Snapdragon 845 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and the 8GB RAM variant will have 512GB of storage. Also, it supports microSD card up to 512GB. It is IP68 certified. It has S Pen with Bluetooth support. It has dual rear-facing camera. That's a 12 megapixel. That's the main camera with f1.5 to 2.4 aperture lens, and the telephoto lens is a 12 megapixel with f2.4. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixel. It also has stereo speakers and a 4000 mAh battery.